Hi, you're watching a web crawler tutorial video. Today's example, SEO Content Machine website. So what the web crawler does is it will visit this website, find all the links on the first page, and depending on your settings, it will follow those links further down to a certain depth to find more links. First setting you have is your crawl depth. So at number 1, it means it just visits the first page provided, and then it will collect all the links it finds, and then it'll stop. If you wanted to actually find all those links and then follow those links one more level, you're going to have to increase the crawl depth to 2. At the moment, it says stop after -1 links, which means it's going to find all the links it can and save them to the file. If you want the task to stop after a predetermined number, you can set this to a value higher than 0. You have some filtering options to save links on your hard drive. The first one is to only allow links that contain a certain word, and the other one is to ignore links that contain a certain word. Following on that, you have your task settings, your task name, a file name string, and its saved location. You can schedule this task to run at predetermined intervals. Along with that, you can also select this task to run another task when it's done. Let's click on Run. When I'm on a task, it displays a task log here at the bottom, and I can see what pages it's visiting and how many links it's found. When a task is completed, I can go to here, click on the preview article, and here you can see all the links it found on the first page. Now if I want to find more links, I just have to set the depth to bigger than 1. If you have any questions about how this tool works, please visit the website seocontentmachine.com to get in touch.